Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. Today, let's explore individual personal finance management. It's crucial to understand our financial habits and how they impact our lives. Asterisk, what is personal finance management? Personal finance management, therefore, refers to the process of coordinating and monitoring your financial operations to enable you realize your financial objectives. This actually covers a wide range of issues such as budgeting, savings, investment, and most importantly that of debt. Developing a good financial management technique would mean that in future, one would be well equipped to handle any money emergencies, achieve financial goals, and ultimately create a happy and prosperous life. Asterisk, basic components of personal financial management. Budgeting. A personal budget is the foundation of any financial management system. It is about developing a strategy for the earnings and expenditures so that the spending can be monitored effectively. Budgeting. Identify your income sources. Understand how your money is made. Track your expenses. The final one is to analyze and sort your expenditures. Set financial goals. Formulate specific targets for saving and investing in both the near and distant future. Avoid overspending. Spend wisely and do not borrow too much, especially when you have little assurances of being able to pay back on time. Undefined savings. Savings are crucial for attaining a favorable state of financial security and fulfilling future requirements. Undefined. Creating an emergency fund. Having that additional emergency fund ready. Save for 3 to 6 months of living expenses for a rainy day. Setting savings goals. Set concrete objectives to immediate and delayed gain goals, including vacations, house purchases, or retirement. Automating savings. Also, make sure that regular deposits are made to the savings account, and they have to be made automatically. Basic components of personal financial management. Undefined. A personal budget is the foundation of any financial management system. It is about developing a strategy for the earnings and expenditures so that the spending can be monitored effectively. Next part coming soon. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe my channel for more knowledge.